What's poppin', Chef? In today's video, I've been showing you why you should track your music. Now, if you do anything revolving music, that includes remixes, DJing, or anything at all, it's good to track your music. Now, the reason for doing so is you never know what may happen. For example, there's been a lot of Jersey club remixes that have been taken down over the years, and they may not know where else to find that song. So it's good to track your remixes. Now, I have two websites today. Those websites are Brainz and Discogs. They both do basically the same job, but I would suggest you put your music onto both platforms. They're both free to do, and if I'm on Brainz right now, and if I look up myself, so I click that one, and you can see some of the songs I listed. I have a lot of music, so there's more list, but the general idea is to put down your remixes or whatever you do in music. Now, me and Bumpin, we made a remix today of Skin, and I listed Skin into the Brainz database. Let's say for some reason the song's no longer on SoundCloud, and if you want to hear the song, the link is in the bio. But let's say the song's no longer in SoundCloud, right? You really like Skin, you want to listen to it. You could just look at the database and just find Skin and see where else it's fine. So for example, I clicked on Skin, you can see the external link, SoundCloud, and if I click it, it goes straight to the SoundCloud release.
Maybe we could have been friends if I met you in another life.
But it's good to upload your song information onto Brainz, and it's also good to show off your credits. So if you do a lot of things revolving music and not too many people know about it, you can tell them to check out the Brainz and see everything you've done. Also, Discogs, it basically works the same way. If I look up myself, you can see the things you have done. I still have more to upload, but you can also put your music database into here. So if I click Wonder, you can see the album. You can see the when it was released, the style, genre, and who did what. So you can also see other people that's featured into the song as well. So in this case on Wonder, that producer was the co-producer. I'll put the links in the description, and if you want, you can make an Excel sheet, and I'll put that Excel sheet onto the Patreon. And if you don't know, I launched a Patreon where you can come support the ID Club Resort. Feel free to join. I'll see you guys in the next one.